Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of Math 143. If you've made it this far, hopefully that means you have completed everything from week 1. So just to review very quickly, week 1 you are to enroll in my math lab. I have already submitted your grade for doing that, so if you have a 0, that means that you have not enrolled yet and you need to do so as soon as possible. You've already missed one assignment. You can still complete that assignment and enroll in my math lab. Once you enroll, I'll change your 0 to a 10, and once you complete the assignment, you should see a grade for that. There is a 10% deduction per day for those my math lab assignments, so I would get it done as soon as possible to get the best grade that you can. So anyway, back to what you should have completed last week. Enrolled in my math lab. There was a my math lab orientation assignment to complete. Then hopefully you also completed all the Excel work, so you're ready to do the first lab this week in Excel. So workbook 1 is submitted there, workbook 2 is submitted there, and workbook 3 is submitted there. And they're all due at midnight tonight. The last thing from last week is to complete this discussion forum. Hopefully you posted your first post introducing yourself by last Friday. If not, you can go ahead and get that done, and then you need to reply to 2 people by tonight at midnight. So that brings us to week 2. So let me go back up. Sorry. So in week 2, we're really getting into the content of the course. So there are conversion charts you'll see right above week 2. I would go ahead and get those and download those and either save them electronically to your computer or print them out and keep them in your notebook. So for week 2, what you have to do is kind of listed in this box at the top. So we will be covering several sections in your textbook. We do jump around a bit. So 2A and 2B, and then 12C. So in 2A and 2B, we'll be covering the topic of unit analysis, and that's where you'll need those conversion charts. And then 12C is the apportionment part of this module. So you have several assignments in my math lab, and then you also have a lab to complete in Moodle, and then this practice quiz and real quiz are due, and those are to be done in my math lab. So let me hop into my math lab for just a second. So when you go into my math lab, you'll see the assignments tab over here on the left, and these are all the things to do this week. So you'll see this my math lab orientation is already showing as past due. It was due last Friday at midnight. Then you have a reading comprehension check that's due, I believe, the 2nd, which is Friday. And then you have several assignments to do by Sunday at midnight. So this is another comprehension check that's due Friday. And I will give you a different video to kind of cover the specifics of comprehension checks, homework, and the quizzes. But I just want to give you a brief overview of what all's due. So you'll complete the comprehension checks, complete the homework assignments, then there's a review to cover everything from the week. There's a practice quiz you can take to practice for this real quiz, and the real quiz is due on 6/6, which is next Tuesday. So hopping back into Moodle, after you finish all the stuff in my math lab, you'll want to go back to Moodle. There are some videos that you can watch to help you with those assignments in my math lab that are located in Moodle. And then the link to my math lab is back there. And then this is your lab for the week. So you'll complete this lab. And I have not posted the assignment link yet, but I will be doing that tomorrow. And I'm also going to give a separate video to talk more about the apportionment lab. So that's kind of everything for the week. There is a lot to do, so go ahead and finish up last week if you haven't, and get started on this week by reading the textbook, watching the videos, and when you feel prepared, you can jump into my math lab and do the assignments. The textbook is located in my math lab, so let me go back there one more time. So if you go to the eText or the chapter contents is my favorite place to go, you can go right to chapter 2 and then you'll see 2A and 2B. So you can click on those and it will pull up the textbook. And then you can access chapter 12C the same way. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can come to my office anytime my office hours are posted. I'm guaranteed to be here. And then if those times are not convenient, or if you'd rather meet through Zoom, you can schedule an appointment with me by clicking on the section that says schedule an appointment with Miss Murphy. That was covered in the other video. So that's it. Good luck this week, and I hope to hear from you if you have any questions. Thanks so much.